Hi, this is Kyrene with Kyrene & Company. Today I want to talk to you about your hands and the channels on your hand. I'm going to teach you lung 11 is on the radial side of the thumb. And let's say you have, this is a Gua Sha tool, it's a rose quartz. You can get any kind. I kind of like glass, and I like glass or stone is my favorite because we can clear it. But this is lung 11, lung 10, 9, 8, 7. And you don't have to know any of that. Let's say you have a cough. You're just going to take this tool, slide it up and out. You don't have to do it hard. You could put massage oil on there if you want. If you have a young child who has, you know, a lot of mucus either in the nose or in the throat, you can just do this 100 times. Just massage this channel, just delicate and soft. If they have a bad cough, this is lung 10. It's a really good point just to apply pressure, but whether you do it to yourself or your child, be careful. So I would do 100 times either with my Gua Sha tool, or I do 100 times just with my hand. That's lung 11, lung 10, lung 9, lung 8, lung 7. And then on my clavicle here it goes lung 2 and then lung 1. So it's just a really soft sweeping motion. You can go 100 times. If you're having trouble with your nasal area, this is large intestine 20, and then B-tong is up here. So you could just close your eyes and just push, and then you kind of feel it ends right there. We could needle like this and shoot it up. This really opens the nasal area. If the mucus is more of a yellow, that means you have a lot of internal heat. So you'd really want to work this lung channel. If you have green, now you have some type of infection and you really have got to get it taken care of. But to prevent a lot of head colds, whether it's a headache, congestion, difficulty thinking, this lung channel is really a good one to do. So is the large intestine channel. So you could just incorporate the lung and then the large intestine, and then you could do LI20 here. You can do circular movements. Sometimes even if you don't have lung issues or difficulty breathing, these points are pretty tender. And it's literally just like right here, and right here it's bilateral, LI20. And then you can just kind of take it up and just apply here. So if you have sneezing, allergies, rhinitis, a lot of mucus, make sure you do lung 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and then you can do it on the opposite side, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And what you're going to do is you want to tonify the lung channel, so you would just go 100 times. Just go ahead and push it out 100 times. If you have a really bad cough, you just get this fat pad here, and it's more on the radial side. It's kind of in the center here. And you just push. It's kind of tender even if you don't have lung issues, but we always want to nourish our lung qi. So this would be a great point to do. Again, if you don't want to use a finger, take your little Gua Sha tool and really just move this qi. Move this qi. Move it out, move it out, move it out. Again, that is lung 11, 10, 9, 8, and 7. There's many other points, but if you remember that, that's really going to help you with any kind of, whether you have swelling, inflammation, mucus, whether it's in the throat, the nose, the ears, the eyes. That lung point and that large intestine channel are really good ones to work. Again, this is Gua Sha, G-U-A-S-H-A. You don't have to create a lot of heavy energy on it. What you're doing is just almost like you'd pet an animal. You're giving a lot of love, a lot of healing. If If you've got a lot of excess, you want to get it out. If you have a lot of acuity or your lung qi is tired or deficient, you're actually nourishing it. So don't worry about any of these terms. Just know that you can clear internal grief, internal sadness, just by working this channel. Sometimes we accumulate a lot in our lifetime. So on an energy medicine ideology, nourish your lungs, nourish your lungs, nourish your lungs. Really give back to them. Again, this is Karine with Karine and Company, and we're talking about lung 11, 10, 9, 8, and 7. Thank you.